Welcome to your dream home. Shanti! Ay, ano ba? Hindi ko nakikita. Kami muna. Ulit. Everyone, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, together with this fur co-host. And we are here today in one of the high-end and secured subdivision here in Pampanga. We are here in Plantation Hills. This is very close to Clark International Airport as well as SM Clark. Yes, it's very close to that. And then, yung masasabi ko sa subdivision is somehow parang Ayala Hills. Yun na yung pinaka well-known naman sa South. So, ganun dito. You don't need a fence. As you can see, open lang yung pinaka-house niya. And then, featuring a corner lot property sitting at 605 square meters for the lot area. I'll start with your carport. So, you have a 4-vehicle carport that wide. Yes, depende kung paano nyo spot yung sasakyan nyo. Pero hanggang dito siya. As well as this side, pwede kayong mag-park dyan. And then this side is your full access going to your service area. Fully covered and ayan, yung mga flooring niya naka-cobblestone. Good thing kasi hindi mag-slide as well as yung easy to maintain lang yung kahit mabasa, madali lang din siyang matuyo. This one's very brand new, kaya tignan nyo kahit yung grass niya kakalagay lang. So, patubo pa lang. Ayoko nang apakan. And siguro nakikita nyo na we have a swimming pool. So, we have several houses na rin na feature sa channel na to. Mostly, ganun yung mga peg nila. And then, you can see wala talaga silang gate kasi you don't need one. Kasi this subdivision is very secure. Ayan. Now, this is what? Did I mention na ba? This is a Filipino sense. So, you can see very simple yung atake. Atake niya sa camera, pero ang ganda-ganda niya sa personal. Mafe-feature ba natin yung damaang aeroplano? Kasi nga, we are very close to airport. Yan. We have a double swing door. Siyempre, yung isang door na lang yung bubuksan ko. And as you can see, it's above standard. Tara! Welcome to your dream home. Napaka-chismoso ng co-host ko. Ayan. Again, welcome to your dream home. Napakaganda ng pinto. Na-in-love ako dito sa ano niya, carving niya. Ang ganda. And again, it's above standard. And one of the, parang may kitchenette kasi dito on the other side pagpasok niyo. Siguro for the pag may mga snack kayo, nagsaserve kayo ng snack for your visitor. So, may little kitchenette kayo dito. And hindi naman siya disturbing for your living room kasi parang medyo sunken siya yung kitchenette na to. Pwede mga display ng alak or serve agad ng drinks sa visitors nyo. Or sa kids nyo kapag umuwi galing sa school. And this is a spacious living room, double height ceiling living room. Napakalaki. Ayan. And as well as yung napakaganda ng ceiling niya. So you have tangili material for your whole ceiling. So lahat siya wood, hindi siya yung PVC. It's very nice. Ganda-ganda niya sa personal. This one can accommodate 10-seater. So pwede pang mag-add ng another set dito. And your living room nyo talagang welcome area, conversation area lang. So, wala ditong TV as you can see. Or if you can notice, wala ditong nakalagay na TV. It's just an open area where all of your family can get together. Now, this side is your main staircase going to the rest of the bedroom sa taas. And this is your swimming pool behind this blinds. Para may pa-reveal tayo, syempre. a spacious pool area. Even yung ano niya, even the material for your sliding doors, ang lalaki niya. Kita nyo naman gano'n siya kalaki. Parang buong panel na yung ginamit. And then, tempered glass ang kapal. Anyway, this is your side of your property, which is your swimming pool. And ito yung pinaka-corner ng property. And one of the wall facade, you'll see parang nakarap yung bahay ng mga adobe stone. Ang ganda-ganda nito. Gusto ko yung gantong material din eh. Somehow parang industrial na din yung dating niya. Pero, ang ganda-ganda niya sa bahay. Especially sa outdoor. Girl, umiinom ka ng water? Ayan. So, for the pool natin, para siyang half ng lap pool kung i-imagine ninyo yung laki niya. So, muntik na mahulog si Mr. K. Gusto niya ata mag-dive sa pool natin. Ang ganda-ganda ng pool. It's very inviting. Saktong-sakto yung nakukuha nating breeze today. And then this side, syempre yung mga outdoor chair and table naman natin. And then also here you have your outdoor shower na together with this adobe wall finish. Then paikot yan. Gandun pa sa other side. Ito naman yung mga likod. Usually, syempre condenser, yung pump ng pool, and then dito naman is just an access coming from the dirty kitchen. So, sila, na dito, kung may mga yaya kayo, sila na dyan. And ito naman yung galing sa, natin, carport. So, inikot ko na lahat. Anong gagawin natin? Balik na lang tayo sa loob. Come here, Shanti. Balik lang tayo dito sa sliding door. This one's very beautiful talaga. Add lang kayo ng mga potted plants dyan. Now, once we go back to your ground floor, let's look at your, parang it looks like a balcony. Ito na yung pinaka-second floor niya na. And ganyan siya very eye-catching yung second floor natin. Very beautiful, thank you. Marami tayong natural light coming from the windows. Especially yung sa taas, yung nag-give sa atin ng natural light. Now, this side naman, na-skip ko na naman, sorry. This side, you love this house kasi ito na yung pinaka-primary bedroom niya. Dito siya sa ground floor and then at the same time, ito yung may view ng swimming pool na. Ayan. Medyo mahaba lang yung lalakarin ko kasi you have spacious first bedroom. You love it kasi ito na yung master bedroom. You have your king size, kulang na lang ng mattress. That's your corner window, which is yung view is your swimming pool. You have your own air condition unit. You have a beautiful ceiling na rin. And lahat siya, as you can see, high ceiling yan. Actually, sa ngayon, hindi ko ma-imagine kung ano yung paglalagay ko sa mga corner na yan. Kasi ang lalawak niya. Ito parang may desk na, pero pwedeng ito yung pinaka-entertainment wall yun na. This wide. And then, actually, yung size ng toilet and bath nyo for your primary bedroom is pwede na siyang isang kwarto. Naka-open na. Pagpasok agad is your cabinets. Ayan. Closet or cabinet. As well as may sariling aircon dito sa toilet and bath nyo. Then this side is your vanity. This side is your shower separated with this going to your toilet naman. And this one, may mga shelves na to put your bathroom essentials. Thank you. Nabuburp na naman kasi. And his and her sink, sorry. With a large mirror. Beautiful, right? The next one. This house has 4 bedrooms. Well, if you wanna host an event or may mga talagang private meetings kayo, this is where you can accommodate them. Ito pwede siyang 10-seater. As of now, nilagyan nila is 6-seater. So, may mga extra chairs. So, ganun kalaki yung round table nyo na included for this. Parang mini event hall. Though yung subdivision merong amenities, pero yung house nyo para siyang may sariling event hall. Now, aside from that, we have another sliding door which leads to your formal kitchen. Gaganda ng wood nila. This is material used for the wood are tangile and mahogany. This is your formal kitchen. You have your island countertop. You have beautiful overhead cabinets. May mga naka-frosted yung salamin niya. Oo nga, Filipino pa rin talaga yung pagka-style ng pinaka-kitchen. Over there is your large window. Aside from this one, double sink. And then, yung lutuan nyo is this side. At yung range hood niya. As well as yung refrigerator nyo is this one. Ang laki naman ito. And then, this door leads to your another stock room. As well as yung mga breaker andito na rin. And ito yung stock room nyo. Malalaki. Ito ding linen. And then, at the same time, this door naman leads to your pwede nyo kasi siyang ma-access coming from your living room. So, dalawa yung access ng living room. And at the same time, for our guests, syempre, we have your powder room. Powder room na, naman, mini kwarto na naman sa laki. So, this is your powder room. Makikita nyo kahit sa salamin na included, ang laki-laki. Bongga. Parang hindi tiles yung nila. Ay, hindi. Tiles ba ito? Yung design parang vinyl. Hinawakan ko talaga eh. Curious ako eh. And then another, push and pull to. I mean, double swing yung door. Leads to your dirty kitchen naman. Can you say this is a dirty kitchen ba? Kasi it's not. For me, ito na yung pinaka-dirty kitchen nyo. May mga basic appliances na rin nakasama and lots of cabinets. Kahit ito, perfect. Kagaya kung paano finish nung pinaka-main door nyo. Then we have another door. Ay, ito yung access kanina. Kahit ito, Ganda-ganda. This one naman leads to your helper. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-room ng helper nyo. Mas malaki pa rin yung toilet and bath no primary bedroom. At yung sa kanila. Yan. Toilet, sink sa middle, tsaka shower area. Very spacious, na? So, kung nalito man kayo, well, ang dami kasing pinto. Which is good thing kasi pag nagluluto nga naman, hindi na aamoy sa lahat ng pinaka-ground floor natin. Now, we are done dito sa ground floor, no? Let's go upstairs. Wait a moment before I continue going upstairs. For those who haven't subscribed yet at mga bago po sa YouTube channel namin, you can follow us on all our social media pages. That's Next Level Properties. Beautiful stairwell. Wow! Ito pala yung sinasabi. Ha? Oo, yung railing. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya pala dito din. Maganda na siya sa baba. At the same time, maganda din siya dito sa taas. Ito na yung second floor landing nyo. That's a very beautiful chandelier. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, pero ang elegant pala niya. So, hindi niya na-overpower yung ganda ng ceiling nyo. Tangili ceiling nyo. Ganda-ganda. And then this one. Aesthetic. Dito pala sa Plantation Hills, may mga pa kayo, bundok na view. Ayan, as you can see, ayan yung neighborhood niya. Konti pa lang yung nagtatayo. But, I can say it's very secured. You live in a very prime subdivision dito sa Pampanga if you live in Plantation Hills. Now, dito we have well, I can see we have lots of doors na naman to explore. Unahin ko na lang to. Oh, wow. Ang laki. Ayoko nang gawin yung gumulong sa floor kasi ang laki ng room. Second bedroom, tapos dito siya sa second floor ng located. As you can see, you have your queen size bed. This is for your reference, ganun siya kalayo din. This could be your entertainment wall. Then this one, you have your dresser. At the same time, na siya? Vanity. Cute. And, wow, another walk-in cabinets. Pakita nga natin, hindi ko ata nabuksan kanina ang nalawa kasi parang lahat ng damit nyo na lang magkakasya dito. Oo, ang taas niya. And then this side naman yung, oy, gusto ko to. Halos pantay lang. So, hindi ka matatipalok. Titipalok. Sink over here sa gitna and then medyo nakatago yung toilet area. Dito naman yung shower area. Well, kung talagang big family kayo, pwede pwedeng dalawang bed pa dito sa mga rooms na to. Sa sobrang laki niya. Very beautiful. Look at your view. Wow, ang ganda ng wooden accent na staircase. Ang linis. Nalula ako. Then this corner, ihuli ko na yon since this side, another cabinet, siguro ito na yung mga pang linens natin or extra gamit. Dito na yon. 4-door pa sila, pero hanggang taas siya. And another door leads to your, more storage. Ayan. Pwede na nga itong gawing wine cellar. Lalagyan na lang ng mga wine rack. And aircon. Ganon siya kalaki. Pwede pa siyang room actually. Yung CR kasi laki ng room. Storage kasi laki din ng room. Next door. Oh, another room. Wow. Wow. Pag in-open ko yung mga corner blinds, mga din. Ang ganda din kasi punong-puno din ng puno yung pinaka-subdivision. As you can see, hindi lang naayos. Dito, may nakalagay na queen size pa rin na beds, bed frame. Pero as you can see, parang halos napapalibutan siya ng window. So you have natural lights. And also, lahat pala ng rooms may ensuite. All cabinets are the same, door height, sink, and then mirror style nila. Medyo magkakaiba-iba lang ng orientation pagdating sa toilet, sink, and then your shower area. And it's very clean. Then I love it na ang daming cabinet to store your clothes. Next door. Next room. This side is also full of cabinets. Parang ganun pag mga ang dami talagang cabinets to store their extra things, stocks, groceries, something like that. Kasi puno to. Parang yung buong hallway, ito yun yung accent ng second floor at the same time. Useful kasi storage nga siya. Next room. Parang gusto ko na lang, sige, ini-invite tuloy akong gumulong sa... Kasi hindi pwede. This is your fourth room. This one's facing your front of your property. Very nice. Pwede nyo pang i-upgrade dito up to yung mga iba-ibang sizes na ng king size bed. May California, may full size, yung ganun. So kahit customized pa na dalawang king size, kasyang-kasya for this room. Ganun siya ka-spacious. As well as yes, pati yung mga toilet and bath nila. So yeah, yung primary bedroom niya located doon sa baba. Ganda. So future ready na rin yung bahay talaga. And we are not done yet. Meron pa tayong another area to explore, which is this one. Everybody in the house can access this balcony. Tas salamin lang siya. Wow! Oh, nalula. Dito na lang. Nalula. Okay. Okay, this is where I'm gonna do your quick recap. Again, this house is brand new and located here at one of the most high-end subdivision here in Pampanga. The house sits at 602 square meters for the lot area, and you have 400 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. You have your own maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. You have your own swimming pool, and also the house has 4 to 6 carport.